How to set your nickname in the Instagram chat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can set any of the nickname in your Instagram chats. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Instagram, and once you are in you just have to open up the DM and you have to open up any of your group chat in which you want to set the nickname, and you have to click on this profile, and here is the option of the change name and the photo. You have to click on it. Now as you can see that here is the option that if you want to change your name you just have to click on it and you have to simply change your group name, and after changing it you just have to save the changes by clicking on the done, and here you are go. And after that you just have to go back and you have to open up any of the personal DM, and if you go in it, as you can see that there is no option to change the nickname. So the Instagram doesn't give you any option to change the personal DM name or set any of the nickname, but you are able to change the name in your group chats. So this is how you can set any of the nickname in your Instagram group chats. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.